We're at Shanti Maurice, one of the beautiful villas with a huge pool, jacuzzi in the pool as well. And we come in and the bedroom, huge beautiful bedroom, absolutely gorgeously appointed. And you got your gazebo across the way in your pool looking out. And we go through to the bathroom. You've got big bath, obviously you've got your shower as well, but on top of that you've got your outside shower, which they have also in the standard suites. They have an outside shower if you're on the ground floor, and then you come on through and you've got a lovely lounge area. Then your sun lounge is out front. It's not onto the beach, there's all rocks at this end, that's why they've got the big pools, but you've got a beach around to the right and you can go down there. But you're on the sand and you've got your sun lounges reserved for your villa right out in front, looking straight at the sunset down this beautiful bay, the mountains of Belombre across the way. You've got golf up at Tamarina up in the hills to the right, Belombre Golf straight in front in the foothills ahead. Beautiful place. We've just been at the rum restaurant. I mean, we just tried about 5 different types of rum, so I'm doing well to be taking this at the minute. But it's a lovely resort, very tranquil, but perfect for families as well. Not only adults only, which it used to be, that sort of concept, and very hard to beat. Like everything in Mauritius, you've got great staff, great food, and I love the south of the island. It's very wild, and you can go cycling and walking around this area. So, highly recommend Shanti Maurice. Honeymooners, golfers, families, everyone.